You ever get inside your Audi and you know it's cold outside, but you're just not getting any heat? Well, it could be one of two things. Either the blower motor is not working or your heater core is stuffed up. Well, if your heater core is stuffed up, we're gonna show you how to change it, save you money, and it's not as difficult as you probably think it is. Audi makes it easy on you. So build your confidence and save yourself some money, and let's go get this work done. Okay, so down under the steering wheel, you're gonna have to take out the plastic here so that you can get up underneath. Once you take the plastic out underneath, I'm gonna show you that this right here, the heater core. So you see the tube coming out, there's one under here as well. So what we're gonna do is, we are going to take I think there's three screws here to take this plastic covering off, and then there's a coupler on this pipe right here, and then there's a coupler on the pipe on the bottom, and we're gonna separate those two. See the coupler? Let me get a close-up view for you. So there's the coupler on the top. That looks like a Phillips head screw. So we're gonna undo that and it's gonna come loose. There's one under this plastic, so we're gonna take this screw off, that screw off, and one other screw off over here that I can't actually see with the camera, and then pull this bad boy right out and show you what it looks like. Okay, so this cover only had the two screws in it and it popped right off. Then you can see the piece that's bolted on. I untook the screw, and then you're just gonna open this with your finger and thumb a little bit, slide it off here, and then do the same thing. You're gonna undo this one and get this screw out, and then pry this open with your fingers. I mean, it's really weak. If I can pry it open with my fingers, you can, because I've had surgeries on my hands. So then they're both open, and then I'm gonna try to separate this from these pipes. You're probably gonna need two hands to do that. To pull this pipe away, and then this piece should just slide out. So let me go ahead and get two hands down in here so I can pull this pipe away, and then we're gonna slide this piece out. Now, I popped those two holes, but it still had some coolant in there. I just don't know how to drain it from there. You probably have to have some kind of pressure air from the outside and clear that, and it'll push out. It was probably only about a cup and a half worth. You see it's still dripping here. So maybe if you just put a towel, like put a big towel under here to catch all of it, I think you'll be pretty good to go. But as you can see, it's not too bad, only about that much. But we're getting rid of this car, so it doesn't really matter. But if you're doing this on your car, you want to make sure that you do it correctly. Now, it slides right out. And there it is. So this is the heater core support. So I'm gonna save this to sell, since it's we're making money on the Audi, and that's one more thing. So then when you get the new one, you can see there's crystals in it. See, it's old, hasn't been flushed, once those crystals get so much, you can't use this, it clogs up. So you can see it was already starting right there. So I'm gonna have to flush this one, So just slide this in, connect the two pieces, tighten them up. When you tighten it up, it'll fit them in. And then put that little piece on the side, this little piece, which is gonna go with this, with the bolts. And then put the back piece back down. Now I have the brake or the gas pedal already out. I'm not sure if you push the gas pedal in, if you can get past this, but you might also have to take the sensor out up there If you have to take the sensor out right here, the brake sensor, so look on my Audi playlist and you can see the neutral safety switch. You might have to release this as well, but mine is already out.